learn and there is so much to assimilate, because you are entering the college which is run by a society which is the oldest in the state of Goa, which was established in the year 1908. And you are going to be part of a college who will be soon completing 50 years and celebrating Golden Jubilee, and all of you will be there to witness that event. This college is a unique college or institution, I should say, wherein we have from KG to PG and PhD facilities. It is a multidisciplinary college. You have courses, programs ranging from BA, BSc, BCom, BBA, BCA, MCom, MSc in 3 disciplines: organic chemistry, pharmaceutical chemistry and environmental science, and PhD in commerce and chemistry. So, if you want to pass out with your doctorate degree, you have the facilities here. If you are disciplined in your life, no doubt you are talented, you are intelligent, you are hardworking. But if you don't have discipline, then even if you are having the other good qualities, you may not become that successful what you are expected to be. Make these 3 years the most valuable in your life, because you are not going to get it again. These 3 years you will always miss. You may do your post-graduation, but the things will not be same as it is in the undergraduate. There you have to be more serious. But these are the times when you can do a lot.
What transformation you have seen is obviously great success, great leadership skill. Obviously, you get a huge round of applause to the gentleman sitting here, and also the faculty, also the management, also the entire support system that works to make this institution what it is today. Life is too short to regret, right? You don't want to regret. What you have to do is course correct or pivot, as they say in startup culture. Because sitting here and maybe speaking here, it has given me more strength because it has made me 20 years younger. It's okay not to have a plan, but it's important to go with the flow and embrace every single moment of life, because my friend, life is a great teacher.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.